Smooth, coreless, and recycled. This is the magic of Colines and Scantech. Colines is a key player in the extrusion world. Here at the K25, they are presenting the latest innovation in stretch film manufacturing. Final product is coreless. No more cardboard core needed. Solid and with 35% of recycled plastics. As Colines states, for coreless wraps and recycled materials, the perfect measurement is the key, and that's what Scantech does. Here you can find our scanner, and it's fantastico. Why so? No reactivity, fast, accurate, and easy to install. That's where all the magic happens. Do you want to know more? Check scantech.com.